Hi, I'm Dr. Gang Su. I have Bell's palsy. Frequently, I experience sudden difficulty moving my jaw and pronouncing certain sounds. My speech is often somewhat blurred, so I try to speak as little as possible for my videos. But I have to speak out today. When I just said this, my hands started to tremble again. Please continue to enjoy this video. I will share my experience and thoughts when appropriate. The father made the first calls, alerted. What happened? A woman showed up. She had a cell phone in one hand, aiming at the Swan family. In her other hand, she had a dog leash. In other words, her dog was unleashed. When I stared at her in disbelief, she started to put the leash back onto her dog.
Hello.
Hi.
I walked to the woman, telling her that swans were always scared of dogs. She first challenged me. This is a public space. Everyone can stay here, right? Again, I told her that swans were always scared of dogs. She agreed, but she defended her dog. My dog is special. Play with them in the water all the time. My goodness, she had done this many times before. As a biologist, one thing I am certain: dogs and swans are never friends. A dog by its very nature is a bird hunter. A swan sees a dog just the same as a fox or coyote, a predator that they have to fight hard with all their strength if they cannot avoid. A swan can sense an approaching dog, even they haven't seen the dog visually. When I tried to explain, she stopped me. You are not listening. Then she left. This is not the first time I run into a problem with a dog owner about swans at this Hammond pond. In the west side of the pond, there is a rocky spot that offers another access to the water. This is how this rock pond looks like when you get there. Last November, I was enjoying some quiet moment with Andy and Morgan at this spot. One lady emerged with two dogs. She gestured her dogs to attack the swans. The dogs jumped into the water and charged at the swan couple. Morgan and Andy rose to defend themselves. I tried to stop this, but the lady argued. See, it's my dogs who are getting scared. Come on. The swans didn't jump ashore and attacked her dogs. I wonder what would have happened if I hadn't been there today when our unleashed dog approached the Swan family. Did the woman actually try to videotape her dog attacking the Swan family? My concern is not groundless. Newton is a wealthy town. Some families raise dogs as a defense weapon. They encourage, even train their dogs to be aggressive and cruel. Apparently, some dog owners have a lot of fun watching their dogs attacking swans. In the southeastern shore of Hammond Pond, there is a spot that's decorated by little rocks. Under the rocks buried a cygnet that was found dead, neck broken, in the summer of 2020. A predator doesn't leave its catch behind. Could this cygnet be killed by a dog? Are dogs responsible for some cygnet losses of the family in the past 3 years? I am not blaming dogs here. I love dogs. I fight for dogs. Dogs don't make decisions. It's just some humans who don't deserve having a dog.